Hello children, you are most welcome to our online lessons. My name is Mwanda Hamid, P3, taking you through mathematics. So my good children, we are going to start from where we stopped last time. Last time, if I remember, we were talking about completing puzzles with a given sum at the center. So we learned, I know we enjoyed, and I left you with some 2 tables to complete. So what I know, you did them very well, and I'm going through just one of the tables. Why do I go through one? I go through one such that in case you did not understand, or in case you did and failed, you can now use today's knowledge to help you and make correction for the other number. So I'm going through this number here. That this was number 2. So when you get this knowledge, you will get to do number 1 and finish it and complete it well. So this was the table. It had our sum at the center as 50. So if the sum at the center is 50, what is the value of A, the value of B, the value of C, and the value of D? You remember, my children, there is a trick that I gave you. When you are finding these numbers, what do? You first of all focus at the center. It is saying sum at the center. Then after knowing at the center, now you go to your dashes, to your unknowns, to your missing numbers. Are they near the center, or the number is far from the center in the next table, in the next circle, in the next anything? So that's how we get. And we said, when it is near, what do? We subtract. When it is far, what do? We add. So we are going to solve this and complete it very well. I'm beginning with A. Where is my A? A is just near the center. So what am I going to do? I'm going to solve it to form an equation. Then I solve it. So I'm going to say A plus A plus 25 equals the sum at the center. And the sum at the center is 50. So after getting 50, we shall now come and say A equals to 50 take away 25. And what did I say, my children? When you have this 50 and you are subtracting, these are 2-digit numbers. So what are we going to do? We are going to have here some part of work and then subtract vertically. Don't put it here. You are going to put here your answer. Put it just at the end of that number. So we shall have 50 take away 25. Subtract quickly. What is 0 take away 5? 0 is small, but we regroup. So we shall remain with 4 here, and we take 110. So 110 plus 0 is 10. What is 10 take away 5? This is 5. Then 4 take away 2 is 2. So our A equals to 25. Then I will come, and I think you are now following this one. Those ones who did not understand, who did not get it in the lesson. So when I'm going through, you are very attentive and you are now getting it very well. So I'm going to B is here. So when I get B plus 31, I will get the sum at the center. So this is B plus 31 equals to, the sum at the center is 50. Then we solve. We have formed the equation, and therefore we are going to solve it. So our B will be equal to 50 take away 31, like that. So what is our B? You can now come here and subtract vertically. This is 50 take away 31. Very quickly. 0 take away 1. 0 is small, but we regroup. So we shall remain with 4 here, and then take 110. So that is 10 take away 1 is 9. Then 5 take away 3 is, 4 take away 3 is 1. So B equals to 19. So is that what we did? And by the way, you'll have to fill in. What do we get for A? A is 25. And what do we get for B? B is 19. Then from there, we still move on to C. So C is here. Then that means we shall have C plus 45 equals to sum at the center, which is 50. Then from there, after forming the equation, we are going to solve very quickly. That is C equals to 50, take away 45. Then this will be, come and subtract these ones vertically. So I have 50, take away 45. What is 0 take away 5? 0 is small. So we shall regroup this one, remain with 4 and take 1, 10. What is 10 take away 5? That is 5. Then 4 take away 4 is 0. So we shall say C equals to 5. You cannot say 0, 5. 0 does not begin a whole number. So 0, 5 is the same as 5. I hope you are getting that, my good children there at home. This is equal to 5. Then lastly, we are going to have D plus 11 equals to 50. And then D equals to 50 take away 11. After that, since these are two-digit numbers, we come and subtract vertically. So we shall have 50 take away 11. What is 0 take away 1? 0 is small, so we regroup the next number, right? We are going to remain with 4 and take 110 here. So what is 10 take away 1? 9. Then 4 take away 1 is 3. Meaning D equals to 39. So I come here and say D equals to 39 and write it there. So my children, that is the number that we did last time. It's our number. Hope you are checking with your work. If you have anything that went wrong somewhere, you can make corrections. If the first number also has some issues, you can follow now this one as your example to make corrections for the first number. So we are done with this, and today we are going to look at something new. So with addition, we looked at so many things. We began with addition of whole number without regrouping. With regrouping, we went to completing tables, and now today we are crossing to yet another operation sign, and that is subtraction. So my good children, today we are going to look at subtraction of whole numbers without regrouping. Subtraction of whole numbers without regrouping. And we are just going straight away to our first example. I can have 56 take away 11. So when it is arranged in this horizontal form, what is our first step? Our first step is to arrange this number in a vertical form such that we carry out our calculations very well. We carry out our subtraction very well. When you subtract like this, unless it was one digit and one digit, like if you have 6, maybe take away 1. That is one digit number. Take away one digit number. That one you even don't need to arrange vertically. You'll just give the answer. But if the digits on a number are more than, we usually calculate vertically. We usually find our answer vertically. So we are going to arrange 56 and 11. So I'm going to write 56 here, and make sure when you are writing it is well spaced. Don't write it so close. Close like this, you'll not be able to carry out your calculations well. Try to space. So this is 56 take away 11. Then after arranging well, we said we are doing this, and this does not involve regrouping. And it will also need part of work and then the operation sign here. So this is 56, take away 11. And now what are we going to do? This line here, you remember, this is for part of work. So, and where do we begin from? Just like in addition, when we are adding numbers vertically, we begin from place value ones. So we are going to begin from ones also in subtraction. And which are those digits in ones? We have 6 and 1. Then in tens, we have 5 and 1. So we are going to subtract. We shall have here 6, take away 1 equals 2. In part of work, first of all, now there are those good children who say, 6 take away 1, and they start thinking, if it is disturbing, you can come and draw here 6 and do like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is allowed in part of work. 6 take away 1. So after drawing 6 balls, you remove 1. So what is the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So my answer here is 5. For those good, for those very, very good children who say, for me, I don't want to get a wrong answer, so I better draw and remove well. For those ones who, okay, say, even if I don't draw and I can say 6 take away 1 is 5, that one is also okay. So after getting 5, I'll come and write here 5. Then I move to the next place value now, tens. So which numbers are there in tens? In tens we have 5 take away 1. So you come in your part of work and say 5 take away 1. What shall we get? Now there are those good children also who will say, 5 take away 1 is disturbing me. So what am I going to do? I'll come and draw 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm removing 1, subtracting 1. I'll come and cross 1. So I've removed. I remove by crossing it out, by cancelling it. So what remains, you come and count. After removing 1, I'll come and say 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have here 4. Then after that, after getting the answer, then there are those children, after getting answer here in part of work, they leave it there and go on. That is wrong. This is helping you to get the answer just, but the answer cannot be left here. So you come and write your answer there. Then after that, you have finished. Meaning 56 take away 11 is 45. So I will come and show that I have finished the answer. And the only way you can show is double underlining. Underline it very well with the 2 close lines. Hope you are going to do it. Maybe I can give another one example for those ones who are saying, I'm not getting it well. Now you must be attentive in this second number I'm going to give. So number 2 is 79 take away 32. 79 take away 32. So this is also arranged in horizontal form. But remember, these are 2-digit numbers. There is no way you can say 79 minus 4 and you get it just immediately. So what do? We arrange the number vertically, meaning we are going to get 75 well spaced. Sorry, this is 79. Well spaced like that. Make sure there is some good space here. But again, don't put 7 here and you put 9 this way. Just some small space. Don't over squeeze them. Then I'm subtracting 32 from 79. So I write 32 and make sure you are following the place values. 9 under 1s and 2 also under 1s. They must be in a straight line there, going vertically. So I'll have this, and then I have the operation sign there. for subtraction. Then I will have to subtract like that. So this is subtract, sorry, that is subtract. I'd forgotten to cross. That is subtract. So what are we going to do here? Ones. We begin in ones, right? So we are going to have, under ones, we have 9, take away 2. What is 9 take away 2? Those ones who say, for me, I can just say the answer, it is okay. You write it there. Then there are those ones who will say, let me first do what? Draw the balls and then remove 2. So you will come and say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many am I subtracting? 2. So I'll come and say 1, 2. So what am I remaining with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meaning 9 take away 2 is 7. So I come and write here 7. Then I got the next one. I will have 7 take away 3 equals 2. If you can tell the answer immediately, 7 take away 3, it has no problem. If you can't have the answer immediately, you can come and say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then after that, how many am I removing? I'm removing 3 from 7. So I'll come and cross. I'll say 1, 2, 3. So what is 7 take away 3? Count the remaining ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. Meaning 7 take away 3 is 4. So after getting the answer, what am I going to do? I will come here and write 4. So 79 take away 32 is 47. Now my children, if you meet anywhere a question that has maybe here, after saying 79 take away 32 and we put equals here, after getting your answer, you go and write it there. But if there is no equal sign here, you can leave there your answer. So you must be just very keen and careful when you are dealing with this work. Now, I hope you have got it. I hope you have followed. I hope you have understood. Now, I'm just going to give you some small activity here. This activity will include even numbers with 3 digits. Once we have learned, everything becomes simple. Like if I had another digit here and another one down, I can just keep subtracting. Just like keep just arranging, make sure that place values are following. If I have maybe 3 and the other one is 2, I must make sure the one under ones goes under ones and the one under tens goes under tens. If this one doesn't have, it is okay. You will say that number plus 0 and you get the answer. So my good children, I'm giving you the activity here. I hope you'll concentrate and do it well. Thank you for listening to me. Be good children. We meet again.